Hello, I'm Lisa, this is my husband Stephen, and we've had a bush tracker for a year now.
I'm David.
And I'm Maz, and we've had 5 bush trackers over the last 15 years, from brand new to really old to relatively new, and we haven't been able to fault any of them. It's been a fantastic journey.
And for our own personal use, we wouldn't have anything other than a bush tracker.
G'day, how are you? I'm Brian. This is Margaret. We got this bush tracker. We've had it for 24 years. Travelled all over the country.
I've always looked at bush trackers. Lisa's parents had one of the very early ones. They had a 99 model, so they had it for quite a few years. So got to know bush tracker itself quite well. So yeah, but I've always liked the idea of being able to customise and do it exactly how we want.
So we like our coffee. So we had a proper coffee machine, like plumbed in coffee machine that I'd bought closer to 50 kilos than it did to 40. And I could bush tracker actually mount that in the back of the van.
And the grinder.
And the grinder. And we can make proper coffee every day.
We've had quite a few friends who over the years have bought bush trackers because he raves on about them, and I do too, and they've all been able to customise it exactly to their own personal preference, really, but they get them new from bush tracker exactly as they want them.
We thought it'd last a long time because of the framing. It's done 348,000 kilometres.
I ended up putting a smoker on the front of here, full-blown pellet grill smoker on the front. It's handy if you want to do ribs, briskets and all that sort of stuff. So that was another thing that we did.
I designed mine to suit myself, and it's just, each person has their own ideas, and that's why bush tracker are very good. You can go along to bush tracker and plan what you want, and they'll build it exactly how you want it.
Being able to customise, so it can really suit you personally, that van. What it really shows you is the level of quality, because you can see the bones and the way it's put together.
Doesn't matter what year the bones are solid, they're well built to start with.
They're bulletproof.
Yeah.
The suspensions are fine, and the paintwork in the first place is extraordinary.
Just got back from, went overseas and did a bucket list thing over there, and we came back from that, and then we jumped in the van, and so we rented the house out. Anyway, that turned in from 6 months, 12 months to 3.5 years on the road, and we just kept on travelling. And
I think is the thing I like the most is the wheel travel and the way it rides over rough terrain, that type of thing. A lot of desert travelling, and very much off-grid type experience. Yeah, significantly off-road.
So that was a big thing for me. I had to be reliable. Ended up joining one of the bush tracker forums, and went from there. I joined a bunch of other caravan forums too. Just kept reading, and just narrowed down to a couple of different vans, and then just narrowed even further down to the bush trackers.
Speaking to other bush trackers owners is a good guide for somebody that's looking to get a bush tracker. Definitely a source of good development information for sure.
Yeah, wherever we stopped, if we saw one, we were over there and having a chat and asking questions, and yeah.
It's not just the love of travel, I think it's the love of the people themselves, because it's such a journey. They all take at least 8 to 12 months to make. You become personally acquainted with the people that you're talking with at bush tracker. That's unique from what I've heard in the caravan industry. Some people, their calls don't get answered for weeks. Whereas for us, we get a call back. If we've rung even if we have to leave a message, we get a call back within the day.
Turn up, you see Sean at bush tracker and say, mate, I want to put another tank in or whatever. Yeah, sure, we can fit that in there, we can do this or whatever. It was all basically can do. I don't think we ever got really much resistance.
We love the outback. We just love the outback. Sitting out there on your own under that amazing sky with all those stars moving around you so vividly, and the red soil in the middle of nowhere. You can just go in the middle of nowhere. It doesn't matter if there's a track or not. You can
Well,
just go.
when we went to Western Australia 2 years ago, going across the Nullarbor, and some of the places there where you could actually pull up, you could watch the ocean. And there was just some magnificent places that we didn't even realise existed.
That's something I've noticed with bush trackers. Their windows are so much bigger and clearer. You can actually see out. And because they're so high, no one can see in. It's fabulous.
And we love our bush tracker.
You're going for the top of the range. It's the Rolls Royce of caravans.
Wouldn't own anything other than a bush tracker.
Pretty much it's our home away from home. It's really just an extension of us. And our personality, I suppose, in some ways, isn't it?
A lot of our personality, and allows us to go anywhere in style.